That's not a good thing.
What's up, y'all? Hernan here. As promised, today we're gonna do a comparison video between the slipper roller suspension that we have at Diamond C versus the traditional market suspension. I got the brand X trailer here, semi-loaded, about 1,000 to 2,000 pounds, not much. We're gonna test this trailer out, see how she does. Empty or semi-empty with these two tree trunks here, and then we're gonna overload it. Then we're gonna grab our Diamond C trailer and do the same test in the same spot, trying to compare it as much as we can. As you can see, these potholes are pretty bad. They're huge. That's like a foot drop right there. And then falling on, though, it doesn't get any better. We're heading out to the scale just to see how much it is. All right, she's off. Sit right quick. All right, you're good.
All right.
Thank you. 65. All right, guys, I'm back with the Diamond C trailer. Let's see how she performs with the same test, partially loaded and then overloaded. All right, guys, I got the Diamond C trailer at the scale house. Now let's see how much she weighs. Off the hitch. Let's see how much she weighs. Oh my goodness. All right, it's a little bit more than I thought. 18.7. All right, guys, that was rough. So now we're gonna take these trailers back to the R&D shop and look underneath them and check out the components and see how they held up. All right, let's get to it.